So ayan yung mga pagkain namin. Wow. Salamat sa mga pagpakain. Ayan, magandang gabi sa inyo mga ka-show! Happy New Year! Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. So, eto kami, may konting salo-salo kami rito sa aming bahay. Yun, so ali kayo at samahan nyo kami sa konting salo-salo namin mga ka-show. So, ayan, update ko kayo mamaya kung ano mga kaganapan namin dito. So, ayan yung mga pagkain namin. Wow!
Baka naman! Baka naman, baka naman,
Oh my God! Wow! Inom ako ng hard mga Inom ako ng hard ngayon. Tapos kantahan tayo. Ayan. Magdamagan na to. Joke lang.
A few moments.
love shoutout. Ochenta? Sayang. Right.
Bumubuka kasi.
Kaya nga eh. Tirahin mo ah. Yo.
enter mo ba? Number na to, number. Ayun o, enter number.
Numero ko yan ah. Employee code ko yan.
Matt Monreal. Ay!
Ito, mo po ka.
Help!
Ay, puti ko dyan ah.
Ginagawa mo?
Parang nagpalit lang tayo ng suit ah. Suit ko kanina yan ah.
Di ba ako nagkakamali sa
Nagkakamali pa.
mainom niya si RB dito ah.
There's no easy way to break somebody's
Kaya nga, nakainom siya ng whiskey eh. Hindi ka ba uminom whiskey?
Hindi mo mainom yan. Kaya ano?
Pag wala.
told her she'd be mine. Didn't go to it with just a lie. I had
Alam mo
to
sa akin
do
itong basa na to eh.
is I said anything to help me
May
get
whiskey glass niya. Huwag yan.
and she reached out for my hand.
Sa loob.
And her simple touch was more than I could
Isa
say.
lang.
And I had to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurts that she was feeling. I was
Wala ba?
feeling when it falls apart.
5 minutes pa.
There's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Napasok na ba yun? Pinindot ko.
Pinindot
ko na yung number eh.
Make me feel like a guilty child.
Mas may
But
program.
realize it never
Okay na yan. Tapos,
Program.
kung pala.
I wanted her to
Wala
hurt
sa akin.
me, like treat me like a queen. I wanted her to say there'll be someday I can crawl in on my knees to ask her back again.
87 na to.
She
Kaya mo eh. Kaya mo eh.
May inspiration eh.
Cheers! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, ate!
Thought that she'd break down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. And I guess she understood
Pwede natin isa.
in her way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say.
Naku, 90
When
na.
they fall apart, oh, there's just no easy
Nakuha na yung ano ah.
way.
Nakuha na.
There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's soul.
Somebody so.
Ay,
87
Hindi
na.
pa mo yung lyrics eh.
okay. Ano pala yan?
God is moved.
Paano yun mo doon?
Naiwan mo dun.
Try again and walk away, but I believe for you and me, the sun will shine.
Ginagawa mo?
So I just pray. And when it takes you far, but I can make you see it true. There's something only love can have a change of heart, but I'm staying true. There's something only love can do.
Oh, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! More love life to come! Yes, more blessings to come! Shout out sa mga single!
Mega love shout out! Ayan, so happy New Year sa inyo lahat! Happy New Year!
More with us! All the blessings of year 2021 be upon us all. Love thy enemy.
Hindi ko alam.
Love one another.
Hoy! Nabunganga nyo! Tahiin nyo! Natutulog ako, nagising ako sa bunganga nyo! Kung ano matulog, magpatulog kayo!
And sleep will fall. Wash our grass, paper bags, clothes, and lives passing by. You see the beauty in your eyes.
Tatagay? Ba't tatagay din tayo?
Who will be there to hear you when you call? The madness in your life. Who will be there to catch you if you fall? Now dreams run wild as lovers find a way through the night. Never care in the world. Over there, where the twinkling of the lights, say goodnight one more time. Who will be?
Gusto mo lang manahimik, ha? Ha?
Who will be there to hear you when you call?
Iiwan ko sa
Will you see the beauty in your life?
Babalik ka rin.
Who will be there to catch you
Hey, Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88. Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.